Jambal as Sameer in the film, all I'd say is that fortune favors the brave. I think Vidyut has made an extremely brave decision by trusting me, by trusting the script and trusting the way that I want to tell this film. Vidyut has gone completely out of his comfort zone. He came to this set of Khuda Hafiz every day prepared mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. He was there. He was not distracted by anything. This character of Sameer that Vidyut has played could not be done if there was not 100% focus, if there was not 100% preparation, if there was not crystal clarity going into this film, because Sameer feels many things. Sameer feels vulnerable. Sameer feels scared. Sameer feels angry. Sameer feels lost. Sameer feels pain. Sameer feels immense love. So there were a lot of things that Vidyut had to feel every single day emotionally while playing the character of Sameer.
So for me, this is the first time I'm working on a movie which is based on a true life incident. And it's quite incredible because the director, he really went through the rigmarole of finding the whole story, unfolding it, and it was quite incredible to go through Sameer's journey. For me, to play a person who's a common man, somebody who's not ever trained in any form of martial art or fighting skills, it was very new because I had to completely untrain the way I have trained over the years, and that was quite a major change, and the whole journey was incredible.
And fire!
I'm quite grateful to the director and the producers for giving me a movie like this where I could just not be something that I had ever thought of. So for me, it's a very good one.
Shivalika Oberoi plays the character of Nargis in this film. Shivalika has been able to punctuate and bring the essence of a pure, unadulterated person to Nargis's character really well. She's definitely, again, as an actor, had to prepare, had to work on a certain body language, a certain way of walking, a certain way of talking. She's worked on all those aspects.
Khuda Hafiz is a film which is based on a true story. There is romance, there is action, there is emotion, there is love. जब मैंने first time narration सुनी थी, तब मैं काफ़ी एक्साइटेड थी क्योंकि मेरा कैरेक्टर एकदम गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर वाला कैरेक्टर है. फारूक सर हैज सच एन अमेजिंग विजन. मैंने एक्चुअली उनसे सुना था कि उन्होंने 2008 में एक न्यूज़पेपर कटिंग के वजह से ये पूरी स्क्रिप्ट बनाई. And I was quite blown with the amount of intensity that he has written the script in. मुझे directly जब phone आया कुमार जी से, he is such an amazing down-to-earth producer that we have, and the amount of faith that he's shown in me, I don't think I have actually seen that kind of faith from anyone in the industry. So I thank Kumar ji and Abhishek for everything.
Usman's character of Annu Kapoor, for me, represents what kindness is. Because in the real story, when this man reached this foreign country, he befriended a cab driver on whose character Anuji's character is based, the character of Usman Hamid Ali Murad. And I think Anuji lends a lot of dignity, a lot of knowledge. He is an extremely talented actor, because Anuji is such an actor that Anuji can give you a lot of variety. He can play out one part for you in many ways, and I think that's a great space for a director to be in, to receive so much from an actor.
जहाँ तक कैरेक्टर है वो टैक्सी ड्राइवर है उस्मान, जो कहीं अफगानिस्तान को बिलोंग करता है. फिल्म का एक इम्पोर्टेंट वो लिंक है, इतना इम्पोर्टेंट लिंक है कि हमारा जो मेन प्रोटैगनिस्ट है उसका परदेश में आने के बाद अगर सही मायनों में कोई सहारा है तो वो ये है. और इस आदमी की ट्रेजेडी के बारे में जानकर अपनी जान लगा दें. गंभीर फिल्म है और एक गंभीर विषय को गंभीरता के साथ लिया है.
Ahana Kumra, she plays the character of Tamina Hadi, who's a female Arab commando officer. It's a very interesting character because you don't usually find a lot many women in very powerful positions in the Arab world or in Gulf countries. So I consider Ahana to be a very intelligent actor, and I understand that her sense of theatre background and her upbringing and her foundation of theatre definitely equips Ahana to be able to give a lot of subtle variety as and when required by a director, which I think is a great thing.
I play an officer. Her name is Tamina Hamid. And I'm an Arabic-speaking officer, and she's helping Samir find Nargis, his wife, who's been abducted. I was very scared, I have to tell you. I was probably like frozen when I was told that I'll have to speak Arabic in this film. And then when I started getting the diction training, I got eased into the language, and it became easier because of the unit that we had. I have to also do a special mention to our entire unit. Our crew and our cast has been the most fantastic.
Shiv Pandit plays the character of Faiz Abu Malik, a male Arab commanding officer in this film. Shiv is an actor who again showed a lot of surrender and followed the lead on this character. So there was a lot of preparation and planning that Shiv also had to do to get into the skin of the character of Faiz Abu Malik. And we worked on it on the trot as and when, as much as we could.
Character that I'm playing in this film, Khuda Hafiz, is called Faiz Abu Malik. Faiz Abu Malik जो है वो बहुत ही एक straightforward किस्म का आदमी है. He's a very, very ruthless kind of a guy. For Faiz, the law is the law, and I think Farooq was very clear from the offset that listen, if you're taking on this part, I want nothing less than 200% from you. And I won't lie, it was very challenging for me, and I personally have learned so much on this film. Although we shot in Uzbekistan and the conditions there were slightly tricky, and I think Khuda Hafiz has been shot brilliantly, and I really think that there's been such a positive energy all around, and somehow, somewhere, I think some magic has happened in terms of the way the whole team has come together.
As far as the casting of Khuda Hafiz is concerned, what I think is interesting is if you actually analyze all the actors, you will realize that all these actors are out of their comfort zone. They are all, for the first time, approaching parts and characters that they have not necessarily done before. And I think that's what's interesting about Khuda Hafiz, is that each actor has found themselves out of their comfort zone and then brought something to the table, which is something that surprises them too.
And cut, really nice. Super.